Okay, time is moving quick here. So in step 5, we're going to improve and embellish our project based on the feedback we received on the chat. So as you can see, I've already made some changes. As always, I'm consistently and frequently making changes to my graphics, whether it's color changes or I even sometimes start from scratch. So I've changed the background to become white. And so I'm going to just embellish with a couple of shapes here, or just one shape for now. And I'm going to center it, change the color a little bit perhaps, maybe even grab my own color. We'll see how it goes. And I'm going to send it back so that the shoe pops up right in front of it. So that's about all I'm going to add for now. One thing I did forget to mention was at the top, you may have seen this word burger. You can click to rename your design. So I'm going to go ahead and rename my design. And again, when I download this one more time, it will show that this change has happened. It won't be burger anymore. So go and change it, and it's all ready to go. So I'm going to let you go, and we are almost on our last 2 steps here.